Quite often when you're building an Angular app and you're using other libraries in your own application, you'll see this concept of providers. And one implication of this is that it allows developers of Angular libraries to provide configuration methods for those libraries. And to see this at work, why don't we configure something for the Angular material library, which we're going to be making use of throughout the course. The first thing that we'll need to do is reference the ng material library as a module. And so we do that by passing it into this array here. And it's called ng material. And that's how we bring in other modules within our own application module. We make reference to it in this array passed into our module declaration. So one thing that I would like to change right away with the Angular material library is the color scheme that it gives us. By default, it comes with kind of an indigo color as its primary color, which I don't really like a whole lot. So instead of indigo, let's use something that's a little bit better. To do this, we'll need to set up some configuration. And for that, let's put in our configuration method. So we'll call config. And what we need to pass here is a function. And we'll be using the theming provider that ng material gives us, and it's known as $md theming provider. Then within the body of this function, we can make changes to the configuration. So we'll say md theming provider, and we want to make changes to the default theme. And then we want the primary palette to be maybe teal. And then the accent palette, let's make that orange. So now we won't have the indigo color that Angular material ships with, and so we'll see this color when we put the toolbar in place at the start of the next section.